Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Malia. It is so nice to meet you. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be how to turn a cheap wig into, something a little more expensive. This wig came from Amazon, and if you want to see how I transform this wig, then keep on watching. I'm going to start off by telling you guys what you're going to need for this wig. You're going to need some tweezers, preferably some with the little flat end and make it easier for plucking. And then you're going to need some scissors, some hair scissors for cutting the hair and cutting your lace. And last but not least, you're going to need whatever you're using to lay it with. I'm using the freeze spray, and I'm pretty sure you guys can hear my mom nagging in the background. Like, I done told her to shut up twice. She ain't gonna shut up, so we just gonna keep the video rolling. Y'all hear her, then y'all hear her. I tried. They don't listen. They don't care. But this is the wig I got. I got it from Amazon. The brand is Love Story. This is a synthetic wig. They do have human hair wigs also, but this one is synthetic. She's 6'13", blonde. You know how long it is for some reason? Don't remember them saying the length, but this is her. Show you guys the lace and how it looks and all that. So this wig is a T-part, I guess you'd say. A T-part wig. And honestly, the material, it's really nice. I have no complaints, except it's so frizzy. Like, I don't know why it's so frizzy. But yeah, this is her. It was $45, $50 with shipping, so that is pretty cheap for a wig. She's super long. That's pretty cheap for a wig, I'd say. Like, I don't think $50 is necessarily cheap, but for a wig, I'd say that's pretty cheap. So let's get started. I'm gonna be using this comb to detangle. See, there's not really any knots or anything, and it's not getting tangled. It's actually pretty good quality. So I recommend plucking your wigs on your head personally, because you can see, like, how it's gonna look when you put it on, like, rather than just like doing it on a doll head. So I'm gonna do it on my head. There hasn't been any shedding, but don't want to jinx it. Oh gosh. Okay. I can already tell this color is going to be bomb on me. Ooh, she's tight. Ooh, very much so. You see, it actually comes with baby hairs and all that. It has a part, but the part looks horrible. Now that we have it on, I'm actually going to cut the lace just a little bit so it's not all in my face. You know what I mean? This hair is so silky. The freaking clips keep coming out. This is gonna be cute. But yeah, the freaking clips keep coming out. So I'm gonna try some bobby pins. I do know that this hair, it is heat safe, so you can flat iron it. Now that both sides are pinned back, kind of, sort of, not really, I'm gonna start plucking the part. You can see my wig cap right here. So when I pluck the part, instead of like plucking it one by one, you know, being super difficult. Oh my god, this hair just it won't stay back. Get out my face. Okay. Anyway, this hair already causing problems. Would not recommend. No, I'm joking. Okay. Plucking the part. I take the tweezers and I kind of like go under all the hairs in the part and like grab them like so. So you see how you have those, and then I just use my finger to twist and pull them out. Make sure you pull them all the way out, because sometimes when you're doing this, it doesn't, like, the hairs don't come all the way out, and you'll have like little like baby hairs. So just going to continue doing that, going under and grabbing all the hair that's in that part, as you can see, and pull it out. That is the quickest way to do your part, and I'm going to continue doing that until the whole part looks like this. Most of it, it's really hard to see on camera, but I assure you, once it is plucked, you'll be able to see it better once I use concealer. We're going to pluck the hairline. Now when I pluck the hairline of wigs, I just take the tweezers, I start off like little by little. So I'll take a little bit of hair, putting the rest back with the hair, as you can see, and I just start plucking. Just plucking random areas, literally. Not really any thought process. Just kind of get to plucking, get to pulling, like random pieces. And then I take a little bit of the hair, split it some more, and pluck in between there. And I'm just going to do that all to this other side. So freaking hot, like, oh my gosh. See, my makeup's getting like gross. plucked it most of the way, not all the way. I'm going to cut off the lace now. Okay, now that we cut the lace, we're going to take it off. You can see the part and everything much better with it. And we're going to do the foundation method. So you're going to turn your wig inside out, spray it with free spray, dry it. Doesn't matter what kind you use, as long as it's your color. And I'm just putting it on my wrist because you don't want to put it directly on the wig. And taking it on my wrist, you're going to put it where the lace is, where you see where the lace is, like not right here. I mean, you can, but it's not necessary, but just where the lace is. And spray it again on the part that you put foundation on. And we're going to put it back on. So now that everything is plucked, we're going to lay it with free spray. And the lace is just going to melt into your skin. Let's start from the side. Now it's time for my favorite part, edges. Now this can make or break a wig, I feel like. There's literally hair everywhere. Let me take this off. It's been about 5 minutes. It hasn't been that long. I did change my outfit because I'm going somewhere and running extremely late. It's probably not the smartest idea to try to film a video when you have somewhere to be. I mean, y'all see, like, y'all see. I don't gotta say nothing because y'all see. As you can see, the color is a little bit off because we need to put foundation on it. And this hair is blonde, so be careful with how you put that foundation on there. Don't worry about it. Choose a wet rag like this one and get it off. You can see it's so frizzy. We're going to put some beeswax on it to stop the frizziness because that's really been getting on my nerves. There we go, because I'm tired of this stuff. This is pretty much the finished look. That's it. That's how you turn a cheap Amazon wig into a wig that doesn't look as cheap, you know? I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. Don't forget to follow my socials. I will put them right there. So, follow me. And that is it for this video, you guys. Bye.